Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome to my channel, where I pass on riding tips, practice drills, and defensive riding strategies. Now, I'm a rider coach, a motorcycle sergeant, and owner and instructor at ProRider Central Texas, where we teach police riding skills to civilian riders. Now, if you want to support this channel by joining the ProRider Membership Club, then click that join button below to see all the wonderful perks. Now, if you're having trouble with consistency when doing slow speed maneuvers, well, in this quick video, I'm gonna give you a simple tip I give all my students. So hang tight. When I'm teaching my advanced course or motor school and a student is having problems being consistent with riding the patterns, I give them this simple tip. Are you ready for it? Same speed in, same speed out. Now, I know you're probably scratching your head thinking, what does that mean? Well, first, let me explain the problems that riders have, and then I will explain what I mean. So when riders are doing slow speed maneuvers, they will usually do two things. Now, the first thing being, they will enter the turn at one speed and then gain speed in the middle or the end of the turns. Now, the second thing is that they will enter the turns too fast and have to slow down quickly in the middle or at the end of the turns. Either way, it makes it hard to complete their exercises and build consistency. So what I want you to do is same speed in, same speed out. So whatever speed you go in at, you want to maintain that speed all the way until you exit the exercise. Now, by doing this, your turns will be much smoother and under control. And you'll be more consistent, which will build up your confidence. So as you're watching your favorite YouTubers, start paying attention to their speed as they're doing their demo rides. Now I'm going to show you 3 video clips from a police rodeo competition to demonstrate this simple tip. I know many of you have watched videos from police rodeos before, but this is one thing you probably didn't notice. So as you're watching, I want you to notice that the riders may speed up on the straightaways, but once they start getting into their turns, they will enter at a speed and maintain that speed until they exit. So, if you're having problems being consistent, check your speed. And remember, same speed in, same speed out. Now, if this video was helpful, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.